What's going on, everyone? Andrew here at MS Classic Cars. I know you guys are used to seeing Mark, the owner, in front of the camera doing these videos, but since we've listed this 1987 Lamborghini Countach on Bring a Trailer about a week ago, we've had an incredible amount of action and interest on it. So I figured I would do a quick video just for those who haven't been able to watch the full presentation and driving video that we have available on our YouTube channel. So going back to the car, it's a 1987 Countach 5000 Quattrovalvole. Now it only has 4,500 miles on it, and it's Seville Red over Snape, and it truly is one of the nicest, most beautiful examples of an original Countach for sale on the market today. Now going to the exterior of the vehicle, you'll notice it has quite a unique look due to the non-US spec front bumpers here and the boxed rocker panels along the side. Going to the interior of the vehicle, you'll see that the condition of the interior is just as beautiful as the exterior, and these Pirelli style seats are in phenomenal condition and one of the more rarer parts of this vehicle. So now if you know anything about the Countach market, you'll know that it's exploding as of lately, and even one example sold for nearly $1 million fairly recently. So if you're looking for one of the nicest examples of an original Countach, this is it. But you don't have to take our word for it. We've had the car inspected by several Lamborghini technicians, some of them who have worked at Lamborghini since the early 80s, and all of them have come away saying the same thing, that this truly is one of the nicest examples of an original Countach that they have ever seen. So right now is your chance to bid on this vehicle with just over 7 days left on the Bring a Trailer auction. Once again, MS Classic Cars. Have any questions, please call us. Thanks again for watching.